Hey, so if you're trying to edit text in Canva Docs and it just won't respond, like you can't type or make changes, yeah, that's super frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually an easy fix. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get into it. First, make sure you actually have permission to edit the document. If it's set to view only, you won't be able to make changes. Next, try refreshing the page. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch that stops editing from working. Now, check your internet connection. Canva Docs needs a stable connection for real-time editing. Also, make sure you're clicking directly into the text area. Sometimes the cursor isn't active, so you can't type. If you're using a template, some elements might be locked. Try selecting the text and see if there's a lock icon. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Yeah, this can fix bugs that stop editing from working properly. Also, browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers can interfere with editing. Try disabling them temporarily. If it's still not working, open Canva Docs in another browser or device. Sometimes the issue is browser specific. And yeah, logging out and back in can reset your session and fix editing issues. So, yeah, that's how you fix Canva Docs text, not editing issues. One of these steps should get things working again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.